If you're considering giving Roboform a try, you should watch this review video first. I've been using it for a few months now and I want to share everything you should know. In this review, I'll cover what Roboform has to offer, share my personal experience, and discuss some of the issues I encountered. But before we begin, if at any point during this video you decide you want to try Roboform, make sure to check out the site via the link in the description below to grab some discounts. Or you can scan the QR code on the screen. Roboform is an easy-to-use password manager service designed to keep your password secure at an affordable price. With Roboform, you have 3 packages to choose from, each offering different features. Let's start with the free package, which allows you to see the platform is for you. Risk-free. In this package, you could securely store your passwords using 2FA access and receive alerts in the case of any suspicious activities or hacking attempts. All your data is safely stored on a secure cloud. However, please note that the free package restricts platform uses to a single device, and customer service is only available through email. Once you had a chance to try it out and judge its value, consider upgrading to the paid package for some features and benefits. Now, let's dive into the premium package, priced at just under $2.50 per month, billed annually. With this package, you gain access to wide range features. You can use the Roboform membership on unlimited number of devices, so if you have different apps on different devices, the passwords are all saved in one subscription. In addition to email support, you also have live chat customer service, allowing you to receive assistance pretty much anytime. Furthermore, the premium package offers the option to save your data on local mode, meaning your information is stored directly to your device instead of the Roboform's remote servers, providing an extra layer of control. For those seeking a package suitable for the whole family, there's a family package available. For just under $4 per month, also billed annually, this package includes 5 separate premium accounts, enabling you to extend the benefits of Roboform to your loved ones. Each member of your family can enjoy the convenience and security of their own premium accounts. If you think these features might be helpful, I encourage you to visit the Roboform website to explore all the details and see what suits you the best. Just remember that when you do, use the link below to be taken to the exclusive discount deals, or you could scan the QR code on the screen. This way you'll get everything that Roboform has to offer and you save a few dollars in the bargain. Thanks for watching and take care.